had all along. But the white supremacists, in their ingenuity, they know how to dress it up and put it in a pretty package because they are technical people. And so they know how to put new pink ribbons on everything, and then change the ribbons, but it's still the same old package with a new ribbon around it. And they just keep putting new ribbons around the same package, new boxes in the same, with the same old Christmas toys, you might say. And that's that tackiness, the trashiness, and the terrorism all over the world. They worship it. They worship being tacky. They worship being trashy, worship being terroristic. And they teach all the other people this. And so black people are the same way. Tacky, trashy, terroristic. Everything that we do, just tacky. Black people, including President Obama, is just a product that the white supremacists have produced. I'm a product that they have produced. I'm tacky. And if I try to improve on the tackiness, I will become trashy and then terroristic. And we're all in that mode because we don't know anything else. That makes up the entire society if we tell the truth about it. It's just those three T's. Everything from airline pilots to the lady at the little, delicatessen and whatnot. It's just tacky, trashy, terroristic. I mean, it hasn't gotten any better than that. There's really no depth. There's really no breakout of this. I mean, white people, non-white people, young, old, male, female, we're nowhere near being in this universe, the universal people that all people should be. And being in tune with the universe, meaning what? What do I mean by that, so that I don't get into sloganeering? It means being constructive in everything that you do, not tacky, trashy, and terroristic, but always thinking in terms of doing the most constructive things, even when we entertain ourselves. Entertainment under the system of racism is about terrorism. I mean, open a toy book for this coming Christmas of all things. Supposed to be celebrating
peace
someone who is supposed to represent peace. Mm-hmm. What do you see? Ray guns and all the rest of it.
Killing. Yeah.
Yeah, killing. I mean, terroristic. Be terroristic. Be trashy. Just, when it comes to sex, just do anything, I mean, as long as it's good and trashy.
Yeah, do as thou wilt.
Yeah. Yes, I mean, mix it all up any kind of old way. I mean, and just see how trashy you can get, I mean, maybe, I mean, a little bit of it, I mean, is the way it ought to be. I don't know. But, hey, to drown in it all the time, I mean, you get to the place you can't stand yourself. And all this terrorism, looking forward to being, I'm going to be a killer, I'm going to be a soldier and whatnot. And the only thing you celebrate is somebody who has a sword in his hand and put it in the history books. The only heroes that you got are people with swords. And you got to dig down real deep in that book to find somebody who cured somebody of something. And you don't even remember his or her name.